In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to convert a Photoshop file to an SVG format. Whether you are working on logos, custom icons, or any design that needs to remain infinitely scalable without losing quality, learning this workflow is going to save you a lot of time. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and it is the standard for web-ready vector assets. Before we dive into the steps, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button to support the channel and keep up with our future graphic design tips. Let's get things moving. First, you need to open your project in Adobe Photoshop. Now, a critical point to remember is that SVG is a vector-based format, meaning it handles paths and mathematical points, not pixels. Because of this, this method works effectively only if your design elements are created using shape layers or vector paths. If you try to convert a standard photo, it will not yield a true vector result. Once your design is loaded, look at your Layers panel and identify the specific shape layer or group of layers you want to export. Select that layer by clicking on it. Next, we need to ensure your software is configured to handle the export correctly. Go to the top menu, select Edit, then go down to Preferences and click on Export. In this window, you must make sure that the option labeled Use Legacy Export As is enabled with a checkmark. This is a vital step because the SVG export functionality is tied to the legacy export system within Photoshop. With that setting saved, you are ready to proceed to the export process. Navigate to the File menu, hover over Export, and select the Export As option from the list. A new window will appear showcasing your preview. On the right-hand side, open the Format drop-down menu and select SVG. You can now adjust any specific sizing parameters if necessary, then click the Final Export button. Select the destination folder on your computer, name your file, and save it. If your design consists of multiple separate vector shapes, remember that you may need to export each layer individually or merge them into a single shape layer before the export process if you want them to behave as one file. Keep in mind that rasterized elements, complex adjustment layers, or standard photo pixels generally do not convert into clean SVG paths. This workflow is perfectly optimized for vector assets. Just create your design using shape layers, enable that legacy export preference, and use the Export As menu to generate your file. I really hope this quick guide makes your design to web workflow much smoother. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching.